Welcome to Leather Honey. This is how to use our Leather Honey leather and vinyl recoloring balm. It's important to note that our product has two connected parts, a twist-off applicator sponge and a pop-off cap. To apply, twist off both caps to remove the foil seal. To apply directly from the bottle, squeeze downward with the bottle uncapped. To apply with the built-in applicator sponge, pop off the upper ribbed cap only. For easy application over large surface areas, apply balm using our premium horsehair brush. For best results, ensure that your surface is properly cleaned. Always spot test to prevent unexpected results. To apply, clean with Leather Honey leather cleaner and then allow to properly dry. Use the applicator to spread a thin, even layer of balm using light circular motions to ensure full, even coverage. For best results, cover the entire area. Wait until fully dry and then gently buff with a clean dry cloth to remove excess and achieve a smooth, even finish. Our balm will not transfer color when applied properly. To further lock in color and protect the leather, follow with Leather Honey leather conditioner. Follow our conditioner's instructions for best results. After fully drying, ensure you wipe up any excess conditioner. Restoration complete. You can now enjoy your leather without worrying about the next scuff or scratch because you have the tool to fix it in seconds. Your leather is now ready for the long haul and we're here to help you figure it out. We love seeing your leather projects come back to life, so drop us a line with your feedback and your before and after shots at info@leatherhoney.com. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968.